In the world of modern medicine, the battle against blood clots is more critical than ever. Blood, the life-sustaining fluid that circulates through our bodies, has a delicate balance. It must remain fluid enough to travel freely through vessels, yet capable of clotting when we experience injury. This balance, however, can be disrupted during medical interventions, particularly when devices or implants come into contact with blood. Stents, catheters, vascular grafts, and other cardiovascular implants, while life-saving, can unintentionally trigger unwanted clot formation. This is where antithrombotic coatings step in, transforming medical devices from passive materials into active blood-compatible surfaces. Antithrombotic coatings are specialized layers applied to the surfaces of medical devices to prevent thrombosis, the formation of blood clots, which can lead to severe complications such as stroke, heart attack, or device failure. These coatings are engineered to mimic the natural antithrombotic properties of healthy blood vessels. By doing so, they help maintain smooth blood flow and reduce the risk of clot-related complications, improving both the safety and effectiveness of medical devices. The technology behind antithrombotic coatings is fascinating and highly sophisticated. At the molecular level, these coatings often incorporate bioactive molecules such as heparin, nitric oxide donors, or phosphorylcholine. Heparin, a naturally occurring anticoagulant, inhibits key factors in the clotting cascade, effectively reducing thrombin formation. Nitric oxide, a small signaling molecule naturally produced by endothelial cells, prevents platelet adhesion and aggregation, two crucial steps in thrombus formation. Phosphorylcholine, a component of cell membranes, creates a biocompatible surface that resists protein adsorption and platelet activation. Beyond molecular design, the physical structure of antithrombotic coatings is equally important. Advances in nanotechnology and surface engineering allow coatings to achieve precise thickness, porosity, and surface roughness. Nanostructured coatings, for example, can modulate protein adsorption and platelet activation in a way that traditional smooth coatings cannot. Micro and nanoscale patterns can influence how cells and proteins interact with the surface, guiding endothelial cell growth while discouraging platelet adhesion. This combination of chemistry and surface engineering ensures that antithrombotic coatings are not only effective in laboratory conditions, but also durable and reliable inside the human body. The impact of antithrombotic coatings on patient outcomes cannot be overstated. In cardiovascular interventions, coated stents and grafts significantly reduce the risk of restenosis and thrombosis, two of the most common complications after device implantation. Catheters with antithrombotic coatings minimize the likelihood of clot formation during long-term intravenous therapy, reducing the need for systemic anticoagulants and lowering the risk of bleeding complications. Even in emerging areas such as extracorporeal circuits and dialysis membranes, antithrombotic coatings play a crucial role in ensuring patient safety and treatment efficacy. Moreover, the versatility of these coatings extends beyond blood-contacting devices. In the field of tissue engineering, vascular grafts coated with antithrombotic layers can accelerate endothelialization, encouraging the natural integration of the graft with surrounding tissue. In drug delivery, nanoparticles or microneedles coated with antithrombotic agents can circulate safely in the bloodstream, delivering therapeutic payloads without triggering unwanted clotting responses. Each application highlights the transformative potential of antithrombotic coatings, bridging the gap between innovative materials science and real-world clinical needs. Developing an effective antithrombotic coating, however, is no simple task. Researchers must balance multiple factors. The coating must remain stable under physiological conditions, resist mechanical wear, maintain bioactivity over time, and avoid triggering immune responses. Regulatory requirements are rigorous, demanding extensive preclinical and clinical testing to ensure safety and efficacy. Yet, the rewards are immense. A successful coating not only enhances device performance but also saves lives, reduces healthcare costs, and expands the possibilities for next-generation medical technologies. As we look to the future, the field of antithrombotic coatings is poised for continued innovation. smart coatings that release anticoagulants on demand, multifunctional surfaces combining antithrombotic and anti-inflammatory properties, and biodegradable coatings that gradually dissolve after fulfilling their purpose are all under active investigation. Advances in material science, biotechnology, and computational modeling are enabling researchers to design coatings with unprecedented precision, tailoring interactions at the molecular and cellular levels. The goal is clear: to create medical devices that seamlessly integrate with the human body, promoting healing while minimizing risk. In summary, antithrombotic coatings represent a remarkable convergence of science, engineering, and medicine. They transform ordinary materials into life-saving technologies, preventing clot formation, enhancing device performance, and improving patient outcomes across a wide spectrum of cardiovascular and blood-contacting applications. From heparin-infused surfaces to nitric oxide-releasing nanostructures, these coatings embody the cutting edge of biomedical innovation. They are a testament to the power of material science to address some of the most pressing challenges in healthcare, ensuring that medical interventions are not only effective, but also safe, reliable, and patient-centered. In the ongoing battle against thrombosis, antithrombotic coatings are a frontline defense, quietly but effectively safeguarding lives with every beat of the heart.